Legendary Reptile Reptarium here. We've got our amoeba, Apollo. He is an Amazon jungle runner. He is awesome. He's gonna hide now from the camera. But this is his habitat. See his tail there. His daughter is in here as well. Let's see if I can show you. There she is, a little bit. That's his daughter. Up above them, we have our Uromastyx, Zeus and Xena. He is up basking on his little platform here. Say hello. Amazing. Underneath, we've got Xena. She's a little shy. Say hi, YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Legendary Reptile Reptarium. Ah, Zeus. Say subscribe. He's awesome. She is awesome. And we've got our mangroves here. This is Midnight, and Stormy is in the hut. She's not camera shy. Say hi, YouTube. She's a beautiful dinosaur. She's a mangrove monitor. And inside the hut is Stormy. You can see. In there sleeping. There's Midnight again. We've got our ball pythons here, Royal and Princess. They're a pair. They're beautiful. They're gonna make some beautiful babies. We've got our ball python legend here. an amazing ball python here. All of them are. Her color is just amazing. As you can see. Say hello. In her little rock hut. Then below, we've got our iguanas. Our Honduran spiny tail iguana, which his name is Pablo. Give me 1 second, I'm about to open this. And then on top of him is our Mexican spiny tail iguana, El Chapo. Beautiful. Whoa. She doesn't like the camera, I can see, and she's startled. She startled Pablo. He said, "What are you doing?" All right. We say bye-bye. Good dinosaur. He's a good dinosaur. Yeah. Then next we have our 2 veiled chameleons, Camo and Sassy. Sassy just laid 23 eggs, I want to say about a week ago. She's a little irritated with Camo here. There's Camo. Sassy's a little feisty. She's beautiful. And Camo. Then next to them we have our Tokays, which they are nocturnal. And one was out just a minute ago when we were cleaning up, and now seem to have disappeared. They're in this hut here, but Tokays are amazing. They are nocturnal though, so they do come out at night. So catch our night video tonight and I'll guarantee you'll be able to see them. This is their habitat. And they hide in that statue down there during the day and come out at night. But yeah. Next to them are their cousins, and they are known as white line geckos. We've got Goldie and Smoke in here. And Smoke had lost his tail, so he's in the midst of growing that back. You can see them back here. See, this tail is numb. And there he is. Just chilling. And then Goldie's over here. There she is. And then beneath them, we have our Nicaraguan, red tail bar. And she went through a shed, which we're proud of. Yay. There's her shed. And there she is.
First shed.
This is her first shed, so we are proud of that.
having her since she was a couple of days old.
Yeah, she is beautiful. So proud she came out of her shed so wonderfully. She's a beauty. She's camera shy. Don't like the camera. Then beneath her, we have our ball python. His name is the Lemon Blast, and this is Boss. And Boss, oh, usually he's under his hood. He's back here in the corner. Boss is beautiful. Hey, baby. Hey, dear baby. He is amazing. He's so shy. Say hi, YouTube. Subscribe to my video. Check me out. Hit the like button. Got Scrappy. He's so curious. He loves the reptiles. And then Nala here. She's pregnant. She's a doll. Yeah, he is amazing. Amazing. So be sure you like and subscribe. Legendary Reptile Reptarium.